Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect and also do a factory reset on the Etmaxter i200 TWS. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, first of all I'm going to show you how to connect this with an Android device. Now these actually are really super simple to connect with an Apple device because of the pop-up, the H1 chip, all that kind of stuff. But for Android, not quite so straightforward. So the first thing you need to do is to, in your menu, go to your Bluetooth devices and choose pair a new device. Once that's ready, you can pop open the lid on the device, and after a couple of seconds, just press the button on the back for a little while until you see your device appear in your list. If you have to hold the button down for more than 5 or 10 seconds, release the button. It's just waiting for the software. So as you can see on my device now, it's choosing Airpods and it will now go through the pairing process. So do you want to pair? Yes, you do. And that's it. So we've got our Airpods connected and we've got our battery levels, etc. All well and good. So now let's take the assumption that you want to use them on a different phone or a different device, or for whatever reason it is. Maybe you're having connectivity issues for some weird reason. You want to do a factory reset on these devices. So first thing to do is go back into your device. This is going to be the same for iPhones or for Android devices. So you want to go into your Bluetooth settings and go into previously connected devices and choose your AirPods. Click on the settings cog and choose the forget option. Click on that and you'll get an option generally, do you really want to get rid of these, etc, etc. So forget device. So once you've done that, that's fantastic. You can leave the phone alone. Now you can go back over to the pods themselves. Now to perform a factory reset, the battery levels need to be available in both the pods and the actual charging case because they do work with each other. So ideally 50% or thereabouts, but as long as there's some charge in here, you should be fine. So on the front, you'll notice there is a LED which normally lights up green. Actually, just to the side of the green LED, there's a very small blue LED. So what you need to do is flip open the lid, and the button on the back, you need to press and hold that button for 12 seconds or more until you see the blue light come on. Now it is very faint, so you may actually miss it. So I'm going to do this once now, and then I will do another close-up in front of the camera just so you can see exactly what it will look like, and I'll try and change the lighting so you can see the lights a little bit better. So flip open the lid and the green light will come on. Wait for a couple of seconds until the green light goes off. And when the green light has gone off, then you can press and hold the button on the back for 12 seconds or thereabouts until the light comes on and also the blue light comes on. So we're going to press and hold the button. So the green lights come on. And very shortly after, about 12 seconds after, you can just see the blue lights come on. So that means it's going through its factory reset process, and when the light goes off, you can release the button. And that is it. That is your Etmaxter i200 TWS completely factory reset. Now I'm going to do that in a close-up so you can see what the LED will actually look like. So open the lid, wait for the light to go off. When the light's gone off, you can press the button on the back and keep the button held in. The green light will come back on, and you should see shortly after the additional blue light come on, which you can probably just about see there. Keep the button held until both lights turn off, and then you can release the button, close the lid, and it will start doing a reboot. So there you go. There is how to do a complete factory reset of the Etmaxter i200 TWS. Any comments or questions, stick them in the comments section below. In the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.